Welcome to the Explorations of Me. Come on in, sit down, relax, and enjoy my process of this month's prompt. Hi everyone, it's that time again for the Explorations of Me for August. And it is, do you have a unique collection and how did it start? Well, first of all, I don't know if it's unique because a lot of vintage things or antique things are coming back. And so people are perusing antique shops for these things and so on. So my collection started with this Westmoreland milk glass jar that my grandmother gave to me several years back, like about 4 years back. She since then has died, passed on. And this was the piece that started my milk glass collection. I have a milk glass collection and I pick up pieces every so often at antique shops, antique fairs, estate sales, that kind of thing. So it has grown since this jar, since she gave me this jar. So without further ado, I'm going to do my page, and this is what is going to go on it. So I hope that you enjoy my process, and thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz. And don't forget to head on over to all the other lovely artists who are involved in the Explorations of Me. I will post links down at the bottom in the description box below. And thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. And I thought I'd share a picture of my grandma. This is the last picture that was taken of her and I about 4 years ago. And she left this earth last September of 2017. She is sorely missed by all of her 13 grandchildren and 4 great-grandchildren and 2 great-great-grandchildren. So she is missed. She was the matriarch of our family. Thanks for watching. Bye.